Chicken salad à la Prince. Cut the white meat of cold fowl into neat fillets, using a very sharp knife, so that there may be no ragged edges. Mask each piece with a mixture made as follows: 1 tablespoonful of finely minced capers, 2 of minced boiled ham, 3 hard-boiled eggs, an anchovy boned and washed, and 2 sardines freed from skin. All these must be well pounded, then rubbed through a sieve. Add a teaspoonful of finely minced tarragon and chives. Stir all into a tablespoonful of mayonnaise and 1 of aspic, semi-fluid, of course. When each fillet has been well coated with the mixture and has set, line a border mold with aspic jelly. Ornament the fillets of chicken with little strips of beetroot and cucumber arranged like a trellis work. Place them very carefully round the mold on the layer of aspic, then pour in a little more aspic until the border mold is full, and set it on ice. When about to serve, have a dish well layered with the small leaves of lettuce. Drop the mold for 1 minute in warm water and turn out on to the lettuce. Fill the center with a salad composed of cucumber cut into dice, peas, string beans, cooked until tender. For this purpose the canned French string beans serve admirably, being beautifully cut ready. Pour over the center salad some thick mayonnaise.